Friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade Cursor AI account. Now you can either do that on the application download to your Windows PC, or you can do that from the web version. I will currently show you how to do that through the web version. So once you have an account, click your profile on the upper right hand side and click on account settings here. And right here under the overview section, you will see that it says upgrade to pro. You can quickly go ahead and click on that, and it's going to quickly load over to the section where you need to go ahead and pay for the Cursor account. So just go ahead and choose card details. You can either choose your card, or you can use the Cash App, or you can pay by Alipay. Once you go ahead and complete the payment, you will pay and subscribe, and you will be upgraded, and you will realize that your account is now changed using the Pro plan. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and upgrade to the new Pro plan for Cursor AI.